Good morning. My name is Adi Singh from Pushpa Prashthi Vidya Mandir Inter College Nanavata. Today we are going to read a poem that is called Animal. It is taken from the first slide. The poem name is W. Whiteman. It means white man. The poem is talks about for a person the poet want to live among the animals because he feels complicated and so many anxiety among the people. So he says, I feel better with the animals. So here he says that I want to live with the animals. In the poem, the poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than human beings. He feels more joyful gladness with the animals than people because he feels that people always speaks false. They always trying to deceive each other. So he says in this poem we can see that he has mentioned something that I think I could turn and live with animal. He said I should turn towards animals and I must live with them because they live with joyful life. He says that they are so pleased and self-content. He says that they are satisfied. They never cry for the things. They never beat for the things. They always lives happy and they are enjoying in their life. And other line says, I stand and look at them long and long. And he says and imagines that how they are living, how is their life, how they are eating, how they are, because animals never complain for anything that I do not have these things, and they are not snatching to each other that I want these things, you don't take this one. Neither they are bothering for cloth, nor they are bothering for their feeding foods. And here we can see some other thing. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. They never cry. They never shed tear for their things. That I don't have these things. I don't have that things. So he has mentioned here. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. They never cry for their condition. I have so much pain. I have so many things. They just mum. They just becomes as a puffer. They just lead their life. They do not lay away in their dark and be for their sins because in they are animal. We are social. Human being also is called the social animals. We do the sins. We repent towards the God. We say, God, I have done this sins, and they never do any kind of sins because they never knows the sins. We knows the sins, and when we know the things, then also we are doing knowingly. We are doing the things that is goes more and more worse to their life. They do not make me sick. This caution their duty to God. They never says I have done this thing to God. I have worship. I have offered this thing to God. They never cry, even though they also glorifying to the God. We could see this all over the world. So many animals and so many birds are worshipping to God from the beginning of the first light of the sun. And here we can say, not one is dissatisfied, not one is dominated with the meaning of owning things. They never dissatisfied. They always satisfy whatever the things they have. Just they enjoy the things. We people, when we have little lack, we always crying for, oh Lord, what you have given me? Oh Lord, I want these things. So many things we are demanding to God. The God, you give me these things and give me that things. But animals never demand, never they dissatisfied. They always satisfied that whatever God has given them, just they enjoy. So the poet says, I want to live with them because they have good heart. They have without deceiving heart. They never jealous to each other. They do not have anything. They do not keep any bad things for the people. I do think that you might have learned from this poem. May God bless you from this poem. Thank you.